The SEC and Ripple XRP have not settled their lawsuit. As such, all XRP price predictions are speculative on the blockchain winning the case. When rumors of the case closing appeared on November 14, prices hiked. Today's video will explain what happens when you invest $100 in XRP 2022. Let us get started. On November 14, 2022, XRP experienced a flash price leap from $0.32 to $0.37. This price increase was due to a rumor that the cryptocurrency and its managing company, Ripple Labs, had settled with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The last year's legal battle between the two has been a significant determinant of the token's price. For instance, when news comes of a ruling that favored the SEC in court, XRP prices suffer. Likewise, prices pump when Ripple Labs has a field day in court. The 11% price jump and 101% trading volume increase represented an end to this era of fighting the regulators and dragging the future of the coin and cryptocurrency along with it. According to analyticsinsight.net, analysts and cryptocurrency aficionados feel that the XRP price rally is far from over, especially now that Ripple is getting closer to winning the legal battle with the SEC. To illustrate the issue at hand, Ripple Labs is being sued for $100 million for selling XRP tokens to raise funds. According to the SEC, the tokens were unregistered securities and therefore breached federal securities and exchanges law. The lawsuit is against Ripple, so how is XRP involved? Later, we will highlight the difference between XRP, Ripple's, and the token's place in the crypto ecosystem. In their defense, the tokens were cryptocurrency and not securities. Ripple believes that, based on a speech by William Hinman in 2018, cryptocurrency, by nature, is not a security. Furthermore, the concerns about XRP being centralized are unfounded, as they are considerably decentralized enough. The Ripple Labs team is accusing the SEC of various conflicts of interest instances, including Hinman's link to Ethereum, speculating that they received no warning since 2013 because the SEC was acting in bad faith. The case remains in the hands of the courts, but the speculation that everything could end on November 15 pleased investors who were tired of the uncertainty. Despite the rumors being false, as many outlets later reported, the community reaction shows how much people want to move on from discussing the lawsuit attached to XRP. They want to see the cryptocurrency's potential and longevity beyond a pump and dump scheme. For example, what is XRP? To answer that, we have to start with Ripple Labs. Ripple is an open-source-based network that processes cross-border financial transactions and digital currency exchanges. The technology makes processing transactions quicker than traditional financial institutions, which take days to complete. Moreover, since cross-border transactions always require the sender to have some money already stashed in the receiver's bank ahead of transfers, Ripple's created XRP to act as the proof of funds and facilitate the transfers on the Ripple network. According to CoinMarketCap.com, XRP is ranked 7th with a $19 billion market cap and 53% of its 100 billion tokens in circulation. In comparison, Solana, which has reached an all-time high of over $70 in the past, is 12th by market cap. With all the Twitter buzz and recent pumps, Dogecoin is 8th with an $11 billion market cap, $8 billion beneath XRP. In the past, XRP had pulled an all-time high of $3.84. As it currently trades at $0.38 on November 17, XRP has seen over a 90% decline in price and value. Yet its utility and solution are universally appreciated. Still on the $100 and a dream. What will that get an investor in a year and 3 years? We have the answers coming up shortly. Of course, the slogan of crypto being volatile remains. In the world of crypto, everything can happen. However, if you are one to invest long-term, you might be open to XRP. Despite the price fluctuations, the token plays a role that only the US dollar plays in the international market, and that real-world use case will push the token ahead once the case ends. Moreover, the lawsuit ending might mean a vigorous bull run or a collapse. Therefore, as you consider XRP, be prepared for anything. In September, Changely.com predicted a $0.57 for XRP by December 2022. Trading Education thought XRP could go above $1.29 if the SEC case is settled. A panel set up by Finder.com also stated emphatically that the price of XRP moving forward is based on the lawsuit. However, if the coin wins, XRP could be worth $2.55. Meanwhile, CoinFlip.com founder Daniel Polotsky sees XRP ending the year with $0.90. If you want to know which of these predictions will sail through by the end of the year, subscribe to the channel. We will bring updates. In the future, XRP will continue to thrive if the AI-based prediction platforms are accurate. Changely.com again has said that it sees XRP trading at $1.97 in 2025. The panelists at Finder.com agreed that XRP could go back to its all-time high at $3.81 by the end of 2025. Crypto News was the least bullish predictor, leaving the coin around $0.68 in 2025. Additionally, Trading Education is hyping a 1,768% increase by 2025, pegging the crypto at $8.76. If this estimation is accurate, we could achieve so much by investing $100 into XRP today, aiming for over 1,000% ROI. Here is a previous video we made on XRP and DOG. Obviously, it features news on Elon Musk before the Twitter acquisition, but it gives room for a more detailed outlook on SEC versus Ripple.